Hi everybody, Earl here coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. We are checking out this beautiful 1970 Camaro LSX LS6 liter automatic trans car. It's got Posi rear end with a 355 gear, 3000 stall on it, 3-inch Flowmasters. Beautiful, beautiful car. Custom firewall. Interior's been redone. Whole car's been done, probably finished 2 years ago. Paint is thick. We'll go through it, check it out, make sure it's everything you want. It's got American racing wheels on it, big tire in the back. It's got Wilwood brakes all the way around. Check out this baby. Very clean inside. All your belts and hoses are in great shape. Upgraded headers. Just done right. Keep you nice and cool. Got radiator with a fan on there. Real good cruiser. Runs out real well. Drives great. What a face. It's got a cowl hood on there. Lines up good. All your glass around the car is good. Great stance. Great stance. Everything lines up the way it should. All your gaps are good. Solid, solid car. Paint is thick, you can see that. Four-wheel disc brakes all the way around. Your tires are great. All your chrome is good. All your lights are working the way they should. Blinkers are working. Rear glass is great. Good gaps all the way on the passenger side. Again, front wheels. American Racing. Wilwood brakes. Interior's fresh. Got 6x9s in the back there. Custom stereo installed. Steering wheel, looks like it's got Dakota gauges. Let me flip this on. Give it a couple. There you go. Fires right up. Pull that key out. The buzzing's stopping. Turn the fan off. There we go. Like I said, great stance. monster of a car. If you're looking to do some financing and your guys are anywhere from a 640 and above, minimum down 10%, go up to 48 months. Excuse me, 84 months. Live TV. If you're 750 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Good rates, sometimes no money down. We ship all over the United States, bonded and insured, opened and enclosed. You could text me if you have any questions, or call me. I'll get you quotes on some shipping. You can reach me at 773-600-0919. We've got over 120 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery. Please check out our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Also our YouTube channel. Like us, share us. It's a beautiful car. If you have any questions, again, you can reach me at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. Have a great day.